Hello, and welcome to the Honeywell MAXPRO Cloud How-To video series. In this video, we are going to cover troubleshooting the IPCOMM when the status LED blinks 5 times. The status LED on the module is the best indicator of the specific problem when something doesn't seem to be working properly. If you see 5 blinks of the LED, this indicates a network-related issue, and the IPCOMM is unable to communicate with MAXPRO Cloud. It is likely that the controller will also show as offline in MAXPRO Cloud. Observe the green and yellow network LEDs on the device. They should be on or flashing to indicate a connection is present and data is being transmitted. If these are not on, check the Ethernet cable to ensure it is securely connected at both ends and possibly test the cable or try another one to rule out a cable issue. Keep in mind that the IPCOMM only supports DHCP, so if the network does not utilize DHCP, the IPCOMM will never get an IP address and cannot communicate. Some additional things to check include: ensure ports 80 and 443 outbound are open on the network. If the device is plugged into a switch or other networking device, make sure that the port is enabled or try another port on the device. If possible, test a second IPCOMM on the same network or try the same IPCOMM on a different network. This will help determine if the problem is specific to the network or that particular IPCOMM. This concludes troubleshooting tips for troubleshooting 5 blinks on the status LED of the IPCOMM. Please see other videos about the IPCOMM for additional assistance with enrolling the module in MAXPRO Cloud and troubleshooting tips. Additional resources may also be found at HoneywellDiscoverTraining.com. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day.